Hey guys, how's it going? I hope that you're all doing well. Just wanted to start off by saying that even though the title of this video is bad, I am up on the day, but I have to recognize my emotions. So, yeah. Um, if you talked to me on Twitter and asked about my trading day, I told you that it wasn't great. Like, it was just the worst day mentally for me. Like, it was honestly so draining. I it was one of those days, when you come into the market and you have like no idea what you're doing, like at all. And you're just kind of lost. You feel like you're looking for something that won't happen, or you don't know what you're looking for. Yeah, that was how I was feeling today. And yeah, it just wasn't the best. I mean, in both the trades I took, like I wasn't confident. I just didn't know what I was doing. Felt like I shouldn't even be in those trades. I shouldn't have been in the first one, but the second one was great, but I still hated it. Like, I felt like it was wrong. Like, I was doing something wrong, and I didn't know what I was doing. So yeah. Let's just get into the day on the 1 hour, because that's where it's clear. Well, actually, let me go over exactly what I looked for. So yeah, coming into the day, I was very bullish since we had buy side right there that hadn't been swept. I know it's swept right now, but off open, it was not. So we had buy side right there, bullish for value gap that we were into, and bullish for value gap right here that was already being respected. Had this huge new week opening gap that was inversed. So yeah, a lot of bullish confluences. Plus, we also think we tapped into equilibrium. Yeah, so we're just bouncing off equilibrium right now, and also this range, I think. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, very bullish today. I knew that I had to be taking long, so that's one thing I knew. Yeah. So before open, okay, sorry, I have to be into the 1 minute. That's where I looked. So on the 1 minute we had, I'm just gonna remove this, had these relative equal lows right here that I wanted us to go sweep. So what did I do? Off open. Not that. I saw that we swept these lows, which shouldn't even be considered like a liquidity sweep. Like, oh, the first trade was just so useless. I guess like we're bouncing off this for value gap, but still, like, I should have been in the trade. I'll go over the trade I took though. We had a pullback right here. I actually don't know how I took this trade. Like, it's just so foolish. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, this trade was like so foolish. I have no explanation for it. So if you see me trying to find confluences, it's not gonna work. That's just why. Anyways, I know we had a change in state right there. Boom. And a 2 minute inverse fair value gap. And for me, that was enough to enter off right here after it closed. Failed to see this SMT. I know I wrote it out, but that was after. I failed to see it. Why? I don't know. So obviously I was immediately stopped out, and I'm gonna tell you guys, like, right after I was stopped out, I was like, what the hell am I doing? Like, genuinely, like, what is it that I'm looking for? I just felt like I had no, like, direction, and I was just, like, gambling at this point, like, just pressing buttons, like, felt like so lost. Okay, I thought my sister was coming. But yeah, I just felt, dude, my nose is so itchy. I don't know why. I'm not even sick. I had a nosebleed this morning, and I stained my favorite pajamas, my Victoria's Secret ones. So that's annoying, but I did wash them straight away though, so hope they're not gonna be stained. Anyways, that was random. So yeah, entered off, got stopped out immediately, felt so lost. Once I did this trade, I just wanted to close my computer, like, right away. I know I really did not risk a lot. Like, I only entered in with 2 micros and lost $87, but still, like, it wasn't even, like, the amount of money I lost that was annoying me. It was just the fact that I didn't know what I was doing. That was, like, a huge hit to my, like, confidence. Like, it was just such a weird feeling. And I felt this before, like, early on in my journey, but right now, like, it just hit 10 times harder because I've been just working, like, a lot more than before for all of this just, like, be crushed in one trade, which is so weird. But yeah, wanted to close my computer, end it right there. I didn't though, but I did go on my phone and I saw TGR's story on Instagram that he posted. It was like that he was bearish. Hold on, let me try to pull it out. Well, not that he was bearish, sorry, that he was gonna be taking shorts. Oh my god. This story. I don't know if you guys can read. Dude, I'm gonna crash out. Broke the level, officially looking for shorts on ES. So yeah. Oh, and then after I saw his story, I was just like, wait, should I be looking for longs? Like, am I doing the right thing? Or should I be looking for shorts? I mean, we did have a bearish SMT. How did I fail to see that? Like, it was just like thoughts going in my head, but now I was like, you know what? No. Like, I'm bullish on the day. My bias is bullish for the day. I'm gonna be taking longs only. Unless I see, like, a potential reversal. Or else, like, I'm not gonna be looking for shorts, and I just closed my phone, and that was it. So yeah, after that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna focus. What do I wanna see, like, off open? These equal lows. So it's like, okay, I'm gonna wait for us to sweep them since we're already going lower. We swept them and had a change in the state right there and a bearish for again. I don't think the reason why I didn't take this trade was because of fear. I think it was because I was just so focused on this 1 minute for value gap right there, and I was just like kind of skeptical about it. I was like, I don't want to take anything right now before we break above, because we did test it right here, went back down. I don't want this to be like a pull back into a fair value gap. So I was like, okay, you know what? Gonna wait for it to inverse, and as you can tell, it just took so long, so many candles, and I remember vividly on this candle, I was like, okay, gonna get a bad fill again. Like, I'm gonna get a bad entry. My stop is gonna be so much higher. My risk to reward is gonna be lower. Like, it's gonna be the end. But then I was like, okay, still gonna wait. and I waited, and I was so patient, you guys. Like, I was actually like staring at the screen, like waiting for it to close. Like, I usually don't need like to be patient in the market, because I'm just like always like, okay, I'll wait for it to close, and then I actually wait, and I'm not like tempted to take a trade before it closes. Usually when I'm not feeling like emotional, when my emotions are in check. But this time, like, it was just like crazy, like it's just so weird. But yeah, yeah, entered off right there. 2 contracts, was risking 116. So if I lost, I would be, I don't know if I said it, but this trade, like, I lost $87. If I lost this trade, I would be down 200 on the day, and I would probably just have closed my charts right there, because I don't want to be risking more than 200. So yeah, dude, I was so emotional during this trade. Like, actually, I had no trust, no faith. I was just so discouraged this the whole time. Like, even right there, I was like, it's gonna go down, or not even like, just okay, what, even if it does, like, even if I do win, like, I don't even care. Like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Like it's luck. Like, I was just feeling so lost and discouraged, and I just didn't know what I was doing. I felt like it. I knew what I was doing, but I just felt so weird. Anyways, as you can see, we're really consolidating. I don't know. But yeah, this was my break-even point right there, and I'm just saying, like, once like we reached this point, like, I was like, okay, I'm getting stopped out, and ending the day with a $87 loss, and that's all. So yeah, as you can tell, it went well. I ended the day with $158 in profit. So that was good, I guess. I mean, it's still like, even after like I won, I still wasn't like fulfilled, like, at all. Like, usually when I win, like, I have a little confident boost, not like a ego boost, like actually a confidence boost. After I won, for some reason, it was even worse. Like, it was even worse. It was just like, because I felt like, okay, I won today, but what about tomorrow? What about the next day? What about after that? Like, am I gonna be able to like keep trading like this, or am I just gonna keep like not knowing what I'm doing? So yeah, it was just so confusing. But I did journal it, and I'm telling you guys, like, I did not want to journal this at all. Like, zero. I just wanted to go eat, go to the gym, go back this or something. Like, I was actually back dissing before this, just because I did not want to journal this like so badly. But I have strict rules. Let me pull out my little note trading notes. Also, look at how cute my little notebook is. This is my trading notebook. So cute. But yeah, I don't know where I wrote my goals. Okay, here. This is from my first video. I have 4 goals for 2025. So these are my goals. If you didn't watch my first video, honestly, like, I just wanted to tell you guys, like, pause. My first video, like, I did not even expect to have like 1 view. So like, my comments were literally turned off on my first video, and we're at 1.1k subs. It's actually insane. Thank you guys so much. If you wanted to start a trading channel, start it. Like, I'll literally subscribe to you. But yeah, anyways, one of my rules, as you could read if you read, it's follow all my trading rules, and my trading rules are to journal. So I was like, you know what? No, I'm not gonna just not follow my rules. Like, I'm actually gonna journal, and I did. And I'm happy I did, even though like I just did not want to do it. Like, and I actually wrote a lot. I don't know if I want to show you guys. So, okay, who cares? Like, this was what I wrote first time, and dude, I just wrote so much on psychology. Here, didn't write a lot. Here, like decent, but on psychology, dude, it's just I wrote so much. Here, you can pause and read if you want. Because I was really struggling with journaling at first. Like, I was like, what do I have to write? Like, do I have to write a lot or not? And honestly, you can do it if you want, but I don't know. I like writing, and I always write a lot. I guess I've been like this ever since I was like younger. Like, I just write everything that's on my mind, and that's why I do with journaling. That's why it's so long, and that's why, especially the psychology part, was just so long because I had a lot to say. It was such a weird day. Yeah. Just wanted to thank everyone who helped me this morning when I was just feeling so down. Like, it really helped a lot. Thank you guys. And yeah, let me know what you guys did today, and let me know if you ever felt like this. Like, I know tomorrow I'll be better. Like, I know it, but today it was just really bad. But anyways, that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end, and I hope you guys have a great day or great night or good morning. I don't know. Anyways, that's all. Bye, guys.